said pearly shells from the ocean. From the ocean. Wow. It's so pretty. Iconic LU. Hey guys, it's me again, Reyna Reyes, and I'm back with another vlog. So this summer season, I'll be spending it in Bali. Now, I've already packed and already done a lot of stuff, like fill up forms. Guys, kaya pala ako naka-hat kasi hindi siya kasya sa maleta ko, unfortunately. Saka ayoko din siyang matupi kasi like, sobrang ganda ng form na. Kaya, might as well just wear. So excited to bring you guys with me sa Bali since eto na lang ulit yung... Hi guys! So I'm here na sa airport. Nakaline na kami for check-in. Hi ka, Ash!
Hi vlog! Hi guys!
Ganda mo naman here. Nandito na kami sa immigration. Medyo hindi naman mahaba masyado yung pila. Medyo fast moving naman siya. Mukha bang magyayaya si Ash doon? Ha? Mukha bang magyayaya kami doon?
Hindi, pero mag-asawa na kami doon.
So, I'm done na with immigration. Ay, nakalagpas na kami. Ay, hindi lang pala kami. Ako lang pala. Si Ash kasi in-interview pa. Medyo matagal si Ash. Si Ash parang tagal niya dun. Parang pinagbintangan siyang magyayaya sa Bali. Parang pinagbintangan pa siyang magyayaya pa siya dun. Magkatrabaho siya dun. Charot lang. Ayan. Ang tinanong sa'yo dun, be? Magyayaya ka ba daw sa Bali? Ano? We're about to shoot a TikTok.
This means reviewed as a safety precaution. Please unface your seatbelt.
Both signs to be switched off.
Ano to? And I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. I already set up the pocket Wi-Fi from Travel Recommendations. Grabe guys. Andito pa lang ako sa plane pero may wifi na ako. 'Di ba? Tapos ang ginawa ko lang is I just turn it on. In-scan ko yung QR code. Tapos ayun, may wifi na ako. We're officially in Bali. Ano ba to si Ash? Unang ginawa pagka-landing ng Bali, mag-TikTok. Where we going? We're currently in DNI Money Exchanger. Magpapalit na kami ng money, so we have money na yung budget namin is 20k muna. Because like, we'll be using card pa naman. Sana mataas yung palitan here kasi ang baba ng palitan dun sa Pilipinas. Ang sugar mama ko. Just got here in our first hotel. So we'll be staying here for 3 days. Yeah, it's currently like around 2 AM in the morning. Hey guys, what's up? So it's officially our first day here in Bali. So, we woke up pretty early today, like me around 9 AM, tapos si Ash 8 AM. Tapos, di na kami naligo kasi naligo kami nung madaling araw pagkarating namin here. Sobrang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Now, we're packed kasi lilipat na kami sa room talaga namin kasi binook lang namin tong room kasi maaga kaming dumating yesterday. We're going sa mga viral places here sa Bali to take pictures kasi yung outfit ko ngayon. Outfit namin ni Ash, very coordinated kami. I swear. Hi guys! Hinihilig ba kayo mga maiingay? Kami yun. Hingi kasi ng boots sa kanong sandals ni Ash. People, we're out and about to go to Body Works Spa.
I don't know the way.
Oh my gosh, tayo ngayong mga turistang OA.
But guys, look at my water bottle!
parang sa Pilipinas ba yun ah? Dito namin plan mag-breakfast, pero I think tomorrow na lang before Nusa.
I don't think that it's open. We're gonna be leaving for Nusa at 6:30.
6:30 nga, oo nga.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so pretty. Guys, this is a must when you go to Bali. This is in Body Works Spa, located in Seminyak. Sobrang pretty niya, guys. It's very therapeutic. Actually, we just want to take pictures here, pero they won't allow us to take pictures kasi hindi siya open for public, only for customers. That's why that's why nag-avail kami, guys, ng manicure and pedicure. We're done taking pictures. Like, I got like good photos. Thank you, Ash, for the pictures. Actually, parang 80% Ash, 20% or 30% ako. Real, I swear. Madami. Hoy, pero sobrang saglit lang nun. Ikaw, like, ang daming side. Hi guys, so after walking for like good 20 minutes, we ended up here sa may hookah. Di ba hookah? Like sisha place. Pero they serve food also. Sobrang tired na din ng aming feet. Like literal, guys. Tiga nyo Ate, napapaala ako. Oh. The food is served, people. We have here this beef satay or something. Then just got rice instead of mashed potato. Then Ash, nangingit ko kay Ash. Feeling ko sobrang niya. Sobrang native. Ang nasi goreng. Ito yung nasi goreng.
Parang lit na kasi sa picture. Kita mo ba yung rice?
Will be fueled. I asked for their restroom. Ito yung restroom nila. It's like a hidden restroom. Wow!
So do you like gel or do you like regular color?
Gel? La Plancha! This is the iconic LU.
Ito ba yung
LU but make it Bali? Oh!
Finally, actually, maganda yung...
Maganda naman here.
Maganda yung...
Hindi din naabutin yung sunset. Sure na tayo, dito tayo kakain. Ayaw mo dun sa iba? We're in sa Penida. DJI to iPhone real quick. Ay, gumawa na memory card. Ay, kanina nasa bota ay nahihilo na ako sa paulo. Ito muna guys, mamaya na lang.
I enjoyed the boat ride.
Sinatawag nila kami isa-isa as if na may ayuda or something. Waiting for our turn. Ashley! Naluso. Nandito po sa gitna. Hindi pala kami kasama sa mga tatawagin kasi may sarili pala kaming tour. What's your name again? Katie. Hi! Are you two coming with us? Yeah. Oh. I see. So they'll be coming with us. Nagulat kami, bakit dalawa lang kami? Hindi kami tinatawag. Hindi pala kami belong sa group. Baka kasi kami star section.
Tayo
bagsak ba? Okay, so kayo mag-alala, ayusin ko na yung camera ko pagdating namin sa sasakyan. Kasi like, ang sakit na ulo ko. Buti na lang hindi ako nasuka-suka guys. Pero may dala-dala naman ako mga gamot. Working already. Please work. Okay. Hey, ako 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, I miss you guys so much. Oh, na-miss mo ba sila?
You guys are back.
Yeah. Grabe yung kanina, no? Yung nag 10 minutes preparation. Like, literal 10 minutes, guys. Tapos, sabi ko, lock in ko na tong makeup na to. Then, call it a day. Tapos, punta na kami. As in, kaya din ako din nakapag-vlog-vlog. Cause like, yun, nagmamadali din. Tapos, pagdating namin doon, wala nang usap-usap. Tulog na. Hi, guys. So, we're currently here in our first destination. Angels Billabong. I'm not sure if that's what they call. Tapos, naka-skirt na din ako. Like, akala ko pwede kaming magpicture dun sa may rock. But I think, no. Kasi ang daming din tao dun. And feel ko it's not a good idea. That's why, cancel ang picture sa Angels Billabong. Girl, yung daming tao eh. Wala, for the tingin lang. Guys,
Thank you.
this is what it looks like here. Can you see? It looks pretty though. Doon yung maganda. Doon, sa side na yun. Girl, parang hindi ko kaya magpicture dito. Tapos, tignan yung outfit ko, guys. The pearly shells. Pa akong nakukuha ang picture para dito sa outfit na to. Like, literally, it's giving goddess vibes. But like, I can't find like a good spot to like take pictures. Lalakad kami ngayon sa Mount Makiling. We're walking, guys, going to the other side of this broken island. Kasi ang daming tao dun, tapos yung view, yung ganun lang. Grabe yun, guys. Grabe, sobrang buwis-buwis. Tignan mo. Yan na ang kanyang infused water. This is my outfit, guys. It's pearly shells. From the ocean. From the ocean. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow, wow. Gabi, gabi. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Gabi, guys. Dinala kami ni Kuya sa pinaka-magandang spot, right? Like, people don't even go there. Like, literal, parang walang may gustong pumunta doon. Pero, since we're all here for the gram, we're all in for that picture, for that beach photo, for that news, para ma-ROI namin. I'll just update you guys when we're having lunch now. So this is the food here. We have rice, this one, chicken, that. Everything looks tasty.